The teaching of good manners and right conduct is an essential aspect of an authentic and comprehensive values education curriculum. Learners are to be given the chance to learn and practice practical and acceptable manners of conducting daily affairs according to the universal norms of ethics and morality. Like, for example, proper way of dressing, of dining, walking, speaking, among many other things in the different situations and dimensions of life. Furthermore, let me state, Mr. Chairman, that character-building activities are necessary components of the comprehensive values education curriculum, where students are given actual opportunities to practice, experience, test, and deepen whatever is taught and caught in the other aspects of the comprehensive values education curriculum. Ano pa po ba ang mga iniisip nating character-building activities? Maaaring kasama po rito, Mr. Chairman, yung immersions, exposures, outreach activities, community service, among other activities that provide learners the opportunity to practice and embody values in actual and authentic situations. Mr. Chairman, our Senate Bill number 860 proposes an authentic comprehensive values education curriculum according to the principles of the 1987 Constitution and the worldview and psyche of the Filipino.